Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Ki board penyat district jong kari Bhoi mentakasi kilala ben penong ya kesampur nata abhiyan saman samaro SASS HNSCA mini stadium Nongpo kumshi benta na ke program aspirational district but aspirational block jong kaniti ayok ban ithu bale Burom ki Nongtrei Hakhmat ki bala ban pun ulong ya kimat kumbala bu na kaniti ayok nak benta kari Bhoi aspirational district but aspirational block. Ya kani ke program lawan management da ubah Presiden Song sembut Menteri Ramba Kejila Kumukongsan ha kejila ringkat lang jong ki saungut ki MLA kari Bhoi bekentop yu ba Melbourne CM MLA ke Nongpo ba Sass thana sotun MLA ke Jirang ba Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati ba Dr. Celestine Ningdo MLA Umsning nalor Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal ki he officer Sorkar na kitna trikam bapher lembat ki Nongtrei Asha bat agan wadi Haba ajingkran nampang haring kesengi Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi uliat hu bakari Bhoi district kalala ban poi shagilai tadi githong ki balabu da niti ayok bat menta ka ganti kalala hadu sautali ki bekentop ya gajing penbiang ya gajing bam teimat shaki longkme ba armet Lyngba ka ICDS gajing penbiang boarding electric shaboro ki school high secondary gajing sambiang por ki kot kisla shaki khna school lower primary bat gajing sam ya ki health soil cards shaki nongrep Uba Presiden Song habakran hakan kesengi ulai ke jinyaro shaki Nongtrei ki Hakhmat bat kentup nadu ki officer ki staff ki asha bat agan wadi ki balatrei shitam ban pun urlong ki lai tri ki thong na ki hendu tali ki balabu da niti ayok bat kini ki kentup hakatnat social welfare education bat agriculture ula ongru badeling ba ka jing shimkhya ka jing lenadi ba ka jing tri shitam lang jong baro lala ban pun urlong ki ni ki thong ki balong kumu maumer hagajinya linti jong kari Bhoi kum ka aspirational district hakani kesengi nak liang uba Presiden Song ula yoru ban plepat ba ya ka akan syahat ka ba an penlong kum bashito yo denter kum shibenta ban kershan ba erap ikiriu singkam shimet ki SHG bat ki wede ki la ban pin inam mila ki tiar kitar ki ba ki pen mi ban pen ya yo habakut jongani ke program la penlong ru e jing sam ki sernat bat khusnam shiki Nongtrei ki Hakhmat kum kadak jong ka jing itho ya usenyang ubenhei bat kejing tri shitom kejong ki nak menta ka imlang kasalang.
Jiwan udah lah. Anak but molong. Pomling blok. Boleh. Boleh ha. Tak boleh ha. Gini deh kita. Iu sama kita jok dah.
Trong Salina Lindo.
Dan congratulate ya bisa sisin pat. Kam tam hang ni kilong kami ngai ki batrei shitom met bat mansir. Bangin la ya kaban create ya ka history hakini ki lai teli ki department. Gawai Lyngba jong ka social welfare ICDS kabaar Lyngba jong ka education bat kala kabalai Lyngba jong ka agriculture. Ngai kublai shibun ya ki officers habok a district but iki Nongtrei haki department jong ka district ki baper ka jingya trei sitop ilala ya kaban poi syakathong banaka hnreu teli kamat kabaka niti ayu kalabu lai teli ngilala ban poi syakathong kam tamne hakawedei bat kilong kami kiba armet kan mau bah ke government ke state government ngila shim yik initiative nadu hajar katra bat menta terte ban ngan yuthu yapi ba kajing klan jong kilong bi hakapor bakha hakapor bapun kala nang duna hang ni hapo kajela kajongi bat ya kajing klat kajongki ngilala ban penhiar haduk kata hakabanga next kem satang katu kat ni teligis nem nang ni syakban ngila ya kaban penpoi syaka 0%. Bat kani kalong day da kajing Nongtrei sitom lang jompi parok kum kilong kami ki volunteers ki bayad haki ying ki sem haki snong ki tau bat kumju haka blok bat ka distrik hi barok away tinga kwa ban ai kublay namar kata ya pi barok haka jing sisa ka jing ai jongi ka certificate na kamta jong pi kampat ya rekat dor bat ki kam ki bapilale man gasngi Nongtrei nakaliang jong ni ka government ka special recognition ka bangi ai syapi bat nginang ya trei sitom lang ru rengkat ban rat yakini kijing ban rat yakini kijing tunju kijing ele bat kinong shun kibawan hapo ka district ka jongpi bat kumjuru hapo ka jela jongi barok ka wei teki long kami bai it khot jong ka SSG ka government ka dor rengkat bat pi tongin ya trei sitom lang yakini ki por ki bandangwan bun ki social activities ki ban nakaliang jong ka state bat ka central government ka bangila initiate kasa menta sahaki district bat haki block bat kabakadu haki snong gitau jongi bangin penrung ha ki thliu ying jong ki pajba jong ke jela megala jongi barokawi ngasku tenat sibune ba ka district ke jongpi ka bengi ong ka aspirational Bhoi district kala keu bonsha haki benta barok mensua ka de ka jiksha ba ka district Bhoi ka khamsa de rengai i ba menta ka jingkela kalabon banyo i ya ka jingbit ka jingbiang ka jingroi ka jingpang haki benta ki ba pher ban nakaliang jongi ka Sorkar nginem thia nginya trei sitom rengkat ro bat kinomai Hakhmat bai i jongpi ki ba don lang menta nginya trei sitom nginya du thia nginya du den khnang ba ka de district ke jongpi haka ba khadu kan long ka district ka ba pauna hapo ka jela mikla jongi
kan don ke jing itu lane ka tin bhareng i khot ka recognition acknowledgement ya kijing persyang kijong pi kijong ilang barot kala bandai kijing snok kilang ke contribution nadu ke officer hadu ki berit hagi department bat kumjuru ya kiwei ki social worker ki badan kijing idei ke bajan haka bedai kubno ban pentikna ba kaneka kajing persyang jong ka Sorkar ban penpoi kilat jingeram kan poi haduk ki pajba kata ke kajing tumu berkani ke program kepala lumlang manda ke segiru kajing tumu kolong ban pendan Burom ya bi lada pinpet ya kani ke program kepala bu hangni kabangi tip kum kani ke sampurnata abhiyan samman samaro kanungun da pedeng jong pi sutu ya ke mining jong kani subhara kti ki ba sutu bun bum sutu tarai ke jingmut jong kani ke kentir sampurnata abhiyan samman samaro sampurnata kamut kani ke badak pura kabalong komplit abhiyan kani ke jingyakun lagi ke kampin samman kani bagi pendan Burom samaro ketika ke program ke Lumpung ke Pengilong kabumut kajing pendan Burom Ya kadika jingi kendulang ban pendan Burom ya ki nong yakun ki bala pelong ya ki jing dapura jong ki babun ki mat ki ba Sorkar kala percang. Dengan tagadau haga bakum kani kapor ngimla ban klet bat ka jing tmu na galiang jong ka Sorkar pedeng kumju ru ka Sorkar jela ban pentikna ba iwei na pedeng jong pi. Nadu ki Asya, ki Angganwadi, ki BRP, ki CRC, ki lak bandai, ki pion, ki lak bandai, ki store, ki par, jom ki department of hair paro. Kandon ke jing itu, kandon ke recognition. Mendai kat tu kat ni na pedeng jong pi, kiladon gitu ki pedeng, ya gitu ki jing pendan Burom, ya award, berkom ter, banalong kepala, ikwa ya paro, dia ban ailot hi, tangba ke achievement, dan ni ke jing pendan Burom. Lala bu priya hang ni kat tu kat ni hang ka Burom gede ye pi baro kumwei ni ginong Hakhmat jo ka Temri Bhoi kusngo ban pha ye kan ni ke jing sngomu na ka benta jong pi baro ki beladan ka benta ban pentikna baki program beper apo jong ka district ki jongi ka badi ka aspirational district nadu senam arjar khatra bat hadu menta ter ngakan mau badi haka senam arjar khatra aga jinglong gubernur jonggu gubernur hatu kapor di Sri Gangga Prasad kadang kuwe review program kaba I penlong hangki apo Circuit House hakaba layo ru ban announce ba ya Bhoi district lajiet ya ka kum kawe ni ki district ki ban yo ya ki jingrap ya ba Kyrpang naga Sorkar pedeng kidan sispa kan yo klik district hatu kapor mentai leste la hambun berkum tak ter kibala syajir bat isu sarong bahagi jelam Meghalaya baru kowe Bhoi district lajit ya ka banyo ya kini ki jingrap ki Kyrpang kumbang ilei la ga de ka health and nutrition kumu ko ka kya hangni ka don ka health department bat ka social welfare department ane ga de ka education department ka tnat jong ka puling puthi lani ka agriculture ka water resources ka badai bat ki Nongtrei kajing penbiang igi giwa igi jekarep lani infrastructure kepada gelinti sengkin umbam undi kiwei bat kumjuru ya ke social service social development kepada SAG ki VO bat kapta ter bat kumjuru khamtam haga bade bat ke skill development kijing eye training naga benta ikun samla kilong kemi kilong pa bat kapta ter
as an aspirational district. And also, at the same time, I take this opportunity to congratulate our Deputy Commissioners, present Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Abhilash Aban Baranwal, the previous Deputy Commissioner, our PD, ADC, and all officers in different departments. A big congratulations to you all. And also, I would like to congratulate all the frontliners of our district. If we compare our present progress of our district to where we were 6-7 years ago, we can clearly see a visible transformation, whether in road connectivity, health sector, education infrastructure, and overall development in our district. Today, I'm very happy that the government has taken another step to launch the Akanshahan. I have no doubt that our district will reach the highest. When we look at the lives of our women in our district today, we can see the smile on their faces. This has been made possible through the support of the government of India and the state government via schemes like NRLM and MSRLS schemes.
Ke water resources, ke basau, ke financial inclusion, ke basan, ke infrastructure, ke bandriu, social development. Kini kinriu teli kimat, kibakan niti ayok kebu ketong, na kebenta ki distrik ki Badang Sadin, lani namta ki distrik ki ba Angnut, ban ya poilem, kum kiwi ki distrik ki balak Kamroi Kampar. Congratulations ya pi ki balai Tresitom, ba pi lala ban saturate, lani ban poi syakatong, hakilai teli kimat. Kumbala jer kerteng daki head of departments mene, kawai kadai ke soil health card. Ngat hakti, ngai ke Burom ya barok ki bala Tresitom henry ngabuk pat sakawai ke jingkeli. Hapo ke agriculture ngakarai kidang don lai sausan teli kitong kiba ke Sorkar kabu. Ni hakti ngai kublai ke bapila le, ngi kmi lenti ba kitong jong bat ki mat ki Badang Saru endang yai budin da ke ju ke mensim ke ban Tresitom. Ngi ekren sepang ke supplementary nutrition na kabanta ki ba armet. Ngi dang job tang iwe imat, lane tang iwe itong. Jer kerteng sakiwe kitong ki Badang Sa. Habang ngilik pai nang ne, kumno ngin poi sa kita kitong. Kabalay, naka education department ki ong ba ngilala banya samkot hakarukom kabatay. Henry ki mat ki Badang Sa, bat ki ba kampong san, ki don sibun kilis. Kadai ka benta jong no. Kadai ka jonga bat ka jongpi ban nang Nongtrei stom susu. Kadai ka program menta ka singi kalong tang ka jing ai men sim. Bangin boy sa kitong ki Badang Sa.
Sorkar jelang ki Hakhmat na kebenca ban kentiu. Aga bidai bat ka distrik ka bai kejengi. Ka negasni ka bang ya rakhi ya ka jingkemen ya ka Nongtrei stom jong ki officers baro, ki staff baro, ki frontliners baro, ya ka jingsim kia, hakaba kala ban penpoi, syagathong, hakabidei bat ki inriu teli kita ki indicators, kiba lada mention, kum ka kot ka kia, nang ta kapuli kaputi, karep keriang, bat ka jingkun rung pisa, lari ki jingtai, kiban pensyong nonglim, ringkat ka jingkit klik, hakaba kathong kaba Lyngba ka niti ayuk, kala debu ya ka distrik kejungi, bat kumju ya ka aspirational block. Tena kalian jonga kumu nong mikmat, Emily jong ka tenjirang konsensi, ngaso ban ay ka jingiro ka bakraw, ya i deputy chief minister ibade i ajukopor ibapet ya ka building department, agabede bat usurok ulenti senkin, kumala penpau dari Dr. Celestine ba mai minsya judan hakene kamadan nama lawan ra daga Burom me pa kicungi ban penpoi sakene ka snong hapo pamsim ba napatat ma ka snong ka ba hakata gapor ngatrai kampadon yaw surok lani lenti sengkin nasoban ay ka jingkublay baga jingiro ya ka MDA government i deputy chief minister sa prestun din song haka term kum u pirli minister kabanga ngayo banya don lang kum u nong ikmat na katay katang ka jirang konsensi haka bede bersurok ngelayo kumba laispa klor tame haka ba ngela isipun ki jingkela di ka distrik kejungi kadai ka distrik ka Badang Don kam sipun Yaka attention lani yaka jingarap jung ka Sorkar pedeng ka Sorkar jilla patungju ka konsensi ka bamangingi represent ni Hakhmat girandon kam shipun ka jingkala lani ka jingarap hagi developments ki baper kalabalong ha surok kalabalong ha ka kot ka kya kalabalong ha ka rep karyang kalabalong ha ka water resource lene kino ki benta.
Farmers welfare. Out of these 6 key indicators, sir, I'm extremely pleased to inform you that Bhoi has been able to saturate 3 of them within the timeline that was given to us by the Niti Aayog. But as of now, 4 indicators have been saturated, sir, which are SMP distribution to all the pregnant women, which is being done by the ICDS. Electricity connection to all the secondary schools, textbook distribution to all the LP schools within the first month itself, and soil health card distribution to all the farmers. So this has been possible only because of the unwavering hard work of all the frontline staff, many of whom are present over here with us today, and led by the dynamic leadership shown by their respective HODs. Simultaneously, sir, this has also been possible because of the continuous guidance and support given by the government of Meghalaya. I, as Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi, am extremely proud of the performance of my officers and staffs. They have gone out of their way in ensuring that these public services reach people in time and at their doorstep. It makes my job, sir, extremely easier when I have such an excellent team at my disposal, which not only includes all the frontline staff, BDOs, research assistant that I have at my disposal, sir. Simultaneously, sir, it brings me pleasure to inform you that recently, out of all the aspirational districts of this country, Bhoi was adjudged first in terms of its performance in health and nutrition across the country. This has only been again, sir, possible because of the efforts put in by all the frontline staff and the HODs who are constantly guiding them. Without taking much time, sir, I would again like to acknowledge the hard work put in by them, and I would like to again express my gratitude to you and the Honorable MLAs for being with us today on this very special day when Niti Aayog has asked us to recognize and felicitate all those who have done their part in ensuring that these services reach people in time.